Hello lovelies, welcome to Just Noble Craft. Today I'll be teaching you how to place a peacock feather on a fascinator. Before we start, let me make a read you from the word. Daniel 11 verse 32. Those who do wickedly against the covenant, he shall corrupt with flattery. But the people who know their God shall be strong and carry out great exploits. Praise the Lord. Going forward, we'll need our peacock feather. I had 70 pieces of peacock feather here. You need your uhu gum and of course your fascinator that you want to use, any shape of your choice. I had 70 peacock feather and it wasn't enough, so I recommend 80 to 100. And each peacock feather costs from 500 to 1000 depending on your location and the size you want. First of all, you put your uhu gum, like you just run around it as you can see in the video, and place it like you arrange it according. This is what you do. This is how you put your uhu gum on the fascinator. Not too much on the peacock feather rather. Then you place it, you can keep it to dry a bit, you can place it on it and later touch it well, or like say press it to the fascinator. This is what I do, going accordingly, because I want it to have a particular shape or a particular pattern to see. So I'll be going around, just continue going around. So at a point when you finish covering everything with fascinators, with peacock feather rather, you will see all the openings, because yes, it has to be covered properly. All the little openings, you use the peacock feather to still cover it to make it very full. So guys, at this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I ask that you subscribe, you like and share if you want to see more DIY such as this. Thanks for watching. So this is what we have. My peacock feather finished at a point, so I'll still have to buy more to cover up these little openings, but this is what we have at the moment. Hope you enjoy this tutorial.